Hey there, Leslie here. Well, I want to read a quote to you. First of all, we're talking about this question. Are you ready to move into your new season as a beginner paralegal? Well, no one's totally ready, but let's look at what a very famous inventor said, named Alexander Graham Bell. When one door closes, another door opens. But we so often look longingly and regretfully upon that closed door that we do not see the ones which opened for us. Sometimes you have to move forward in order for that door to open. You know, when I entered in the field, I did not enter as a paralegal. I entered in as a legal secretary, legal receptionist. And then I really believed that the doors would open after I had worked some trials with an attorney that was fairly new to the firm. And he wasn't a new attorney, but I started working with him and learned a lot. And then I felt more equipped. So I felt that I could talk about what I knew how to do with the next attorney. And then I landed my first paralegal job. So I had to let go of people, a couple people there that I really liked, the paralegal and the attorney, wave goodbye and go into a new season. But in the beginning, going into the field, I had to wave goodbye to the thoughts of being something else, an executive assistant or an administrative assistant, and go into something totally new and foreign to me. And that's what you're doing more than likely, right? So number one, say goodbye to the last season. Number two, embrace the new season, as scary as it is, as unequipped as we feel sometimes. Make sure you go to Paralegal Coffee Talk. You will feel more equipped after you do this. And look under, it's paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Look under Paralegal Resource Hub, that's a tab, and get the playbook that's there, but also investigate the hub. There's no charge for that. Yes, you have to sign up for that, but get it today. It's so valuable to you. And on one of the pages in the middle of the page, I talk about how to research paralegal duties. That's gold. And do that, take notes. Don't forget to take notes about the different paralegal positions that you're researching and learn some of those duties. Don't just research. Learn some of the duties. Number three, what new habits do I have to do? Become this type of investigator. And who do I need to connect with? You can join your local paralegal association. And so what's your vision? Becoming a bona fide equipped paralegal.